How to delete incognito history on Windows. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Windows tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your incognito history on your computer. So if you're using the incognito mode in any browser, including Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, your computer saves what's called a DNS record of all the websites you visited, even if they're in incognito mode. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily delete that record so that you can delete your incognito history on your Windows computer. All right, so the first thing we need to do is simply go down to the Windows Start button down here, select it, and then just type CMD. This will bring up command prompt and the best match. Go ahead and right click that and select Run as Administrator. Now that we have CMD open, all we need to do is type one line of text and check the description. I'll have it down there. ipconfig /flushdns with no spaces. Hit enter. Now, as you can see, it'll say that successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. So we now have deleted the incognito history on our Windows PC or laptop. So that's how you delete incognito history on a computer. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Windows tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.